I called just to say I'm sorry. I'm so fucking sorry for what happened last night. I didn't mean for any of that to happen. I swear. I swear to fucking God it was a genuine mistake. We were both so caught up in the moment. I didn't mean for any of that to happen. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, please. I value our friendship. I'm begging you. Forgive me, please. You know I wouldn't do you like that, man.
Never in my life have I ever thought that I would go through this kind of fucking situation, and it fucking hurts so fucking bad. I can't even decipher this shit. This shit feels so fucking unreal.
I know, but I really can't lose you, please. Cat? Cat, please.